What are we doing? Training her to become a general?
In this world we're in, she has to be tough. She has to know what's coming.
Well, in this world, she also needs love. Lots of love.
Kofi, I'm getting jealous. You seem to be giving her more love than me nowadays.
Come on. I mean, guess what? She's inside you. So whatever love I give her goes to you too.
Oh.
Have I told you lately that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness. Take away all my sadness.
Your sadness?
Our sadness. Ease our troubles, that's what you do.
The opponent you are tracking is spiritually strong. The knot you want to untie is too strongly bound. Covalent bond.
So what do I do? I love him so much.
Love does not break apart. It brings together.
Ma, I'm a young boy.
Oh, yeah, you know my you. Oh, you know my you. Now I can see you really ate a lot. You are very full.
Mama.
I like the way you carry yourself, though. You just get on with it.
Thank you, thank you. You know, I intend to work till the very last week.
Inshallah.
Amen.
And my strong son, I hope he has remained strong.
I can't believe you said that.
Well, Elam said he's missed you, so here we are.
But Mommy, you could have at least called before coming.
Oh, it's good to call, eh? So what has happened these past 4 weeks? No calls, no planned visits. Elam, what's this?
Oh. Thank you. This is beautiful.
Anyway, he's on midterms. He has 1 week. I've packed enough.
When one door is closed, many more are open. There is somebody else who needs your heart.
Really? Who is this person?
You will know when it is revealed.
You have surprised me.
How?
I thought you'd throw your usual tantrums about work and not having time for Elom.
Mommy, I know I've been irresponsible and I've lost my priorities, and I'm sorry.
Well, good to have you back. It looks like a lot of people believe in you.
How?
I won't tell.
Mama, thank you so much for the watch.
Oh, you're welcome. When is my son coming?
Oh, I don't think he'll be in today. He's very busy with his dad's farm, plus organizing the other farmers as well.
Oh, so he has traveled. Oh, I'll bring him back safely, please.
Amen.
A man is the man who takes care of his responsibilities.
Sorry, madam, but the FNB people will be here in 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you. And who else have I got today?
You have the Bansers, they'll be here at 1, and then Madam Kokui.
Okay, keep me posted.
You're looking good.
Thanks, Mama.
You've done well.
That's right.
Okay, my daughter. You have a great day.
You too, Mama, sweet. Thank you so
Tomorrow's
much.
watching. I'll give you 2 eggs.
Thank you. Have a great day. I invited you here today because I have heard very good things about your bank.
Oh, thank you. We work to satisfy our clients.
I am especially interested in the accounts for cooperatives.
Right?
Yes. You see, I am currently mentoring 30 market women, and we are looking at forming a cooperative so that they could have a joint account and enjoy the synergies thereof.
Oh, wow. That's actually a great idea. The cooperative accounts will fit this entity perfectly. Their inputs can be captured both individually and collectively. They can then be given joint or individual facilities up to the quantum of their savings or even more.
Wow, that's interesting.
Very.
Would it be able to be configured so that they can make transfers via MTN mobile money?
Almost definitely. That's no problem at all. We have strong capabilities, especially in fintech. We can actually customize to your own specifications.
Wow. You see, these very hard-working young ladies are very liquid, carrying a lot of cash on them. And we want to stop that and make the money work for them so that they can be able to access the money anywhere in the world.
That is impressive. Kudos. We've heard good things about solutions.
Touché.
Hello.
Hello. Madam Kokui, you're very early.
Yes, so I'm so sorry I couldn't call to prompt you first, but my schedule changed and I thought I could squeeze in a quick one.
That's fine. You're welcome. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
And who is this handsome young man?
My name is Elon Bansa.
Hello. You're welcome. My name is Nanaya. Now let's see if I can work some magic.
Please.
But first, let me get you your hot cocoa. And you, Mr. Bansa, I have something special for you.
Thank you so much, Nanaya.
No problem.
This has been very fruitful. The conversation must continue.
Definitely. To a mutually rewarding conclusion. And I'll send the options via mail to you as promised.
Splendid.
Actually, I've been doing some digging on solutions.
Yeah?
Oh, it's all good. No need to go worried at all. We will be very happy to do business with you.
I'll say amen to that.
All right, I'll take my leave then, but I'll surely get in touch. Please enjoy the rest of your day.
You too, my dear.
Bye.
That's a handsome boy you have. He reminds me of Akumapa, Akule's son. But a shorter version though. Please sit down. Kokui, we have 30 minutes, so we have to go now.
Thank you.
Elon here will keep me company.
Just don't think you're number one, because he already has 4 girlfriends.
Elon, is that true? Elon is a good boy.
Yes. Sorry for coming in like this. My mom brought Elom unannounced and I'm having to tweak my schedule.
I'm always at your service, my dear. Your artwork is ready though.
Wow. You're so good to me. God, please forgive me. You're blessed.
Oh, thank you. Forgive you? For what?
Well, for all the times I've come in unannounced and other infractions.
We are employing a multi-pronged attack. We are using chemicals, physical, interaction, and spiritual. We shall attack in the air, on ground, and in water, even subterranean.
Keep doing good.
Thank you. Thank you so much. But what has gotten into you today?
It must be Elo.
It's very good for you. Anyway, let's look at your artwork.
Yes.
Okay? All right. So, this way, and it all comes together. The colors, everything just...
Wow. Jeez, Amma, this is beautiful.
Glad you like it.
I love it.
So wait. So let me get this straight. You are doing all this just to spite me.
Really? Oh no, honey. This is business. It's definitely not personal.
But how am I supposed to?
Sorry? Hurry up! Why are you standing there watching? Let's go. You think I have all day for you? Can you hurry up? Come on. The Gunners have given us a very good business plan and I intend to profit from it. As for your pain, it's self-inflicted, so stop bitching about it and be a man. You're always complaining. I don't understand. And hurry up and come. Why are you standing there?
Hello, Mom.
How are you?
Fine, good. Brilliant. You're welcome. Please have a seat.
Thank you so much. Aren't you a little cutie? You're very handsome. My name is Lydia.
I'm Ellen Bansa.
Oh, Bansa?
Elon's mom is just finishing with Mrs. Ghana and then you can go in.
All right.
Please be comfortable.
Hey, Masa.
I know my time is up. Thank you so much for accommodating me.
My pleasure. But before you go, Kokui, I must warn you though. You may run into George Banza on your way out. He's my next meeting. You know, I planned it in such a way that you not bump into each other. But you came a little early.
And I came in with Elo.
Oh, it's cool. Just don't create a scene. Yep? You'll be fine.
Thank you.
Do you know we share the same name? I'm also Bansa, Lydia Bansa. The husband here is George Bansa.
Big boy, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. My father is called George Bansa.
What? George.
Mommy, he's called George Bansa too. He's my daddy.
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes.